Hello friends, I am Sandeep Thakur. Welcome again to ST Academy. Today this is the second video of Java tutorial for the beginners. Now in the first video I have explained about hardware and software, different types of softwares. Now we'll come to hardware. I'm going to explain about the two hardware which plays vital role at the time of execution of your program. Now when you write down a program and when you save the program, and after saving the program, when you run the program, these two devices plays the vital role. So the data which are related to your program, those are going to store inside this temporary memory location which we call random access memory. This is one of the hardware. And the processor, the CPU, is going to fetch the data from there and it's going to provide the result after processing. So how the things work, how there is a coordination between this random access memory and the processor. To explain that, I'm going to give one of the realistic approach example for it. Now, one of the cook was going to cook more than one recipe. Now, this cook is having only a single pan, only one of the pan, and in this single pan he is going to cook more than one recipes, more than one dish. So obviously what he will do, he will put the ingredients of the first recipe in this pan. He will cook it and then he will take off the recipe which is prepared in one of the bowl. Now as I told that this cook is having only this single pan and he has to cook more than one recipe. So what he will do, now for the second recipe he will put the ingredients in the same pan. He'll start cooking it. Once the second recipe will cook, the cook will take out that recipe in the bowl. So if you see the sequence, the cook is using only a single pan and he is putting the ingredients related to the recipes and he is cooking it and he is getting the results. So the pan is only one and he is able to cook more than one recipes. So this is the procedure, this is the methodology in which in our system the processor and the RAM also work. Now let us understand that cook is working like a processor, and this pan is working like RAM, random access memory, and the bowl in which the recipe or the dish which is taken off, that is working as monitor. So in the system also, when you will write down the program, when you will make the program, that program related data will be in this RAM, random access memory. The processor is going to process it. It is going to fetch those data and process it. So this is the processor and you will get the result. In the same way, when you again execute the program or you execute any other program, so the related data is going to store inside the RAM. The cook and the processor is going to process it and you are going to get the result on the monitor. So let us understand that how the things work. Suppose when you will create a program, that program you will save and that program will be saved in a permanent memory, that is a permanent device that is known as hard disk, or you can say hard drive. Now you are going to run the program. So what will happen, the related data for which the memory space is going to allocate, that is going to allocate inside the RAM, and the related data will be inside the random access memory, which is a temporary location, which is a temporary memory. Now from here, what the processor will do, it will fetch the data of your program, process it, and once the processing complete, the result is going to obtain on the monitor. So in this sequence, behind the scene, your program is going to work. The program from the hard drive, the related data and the space related to the data is going to occupy inside RAM. Those data will be fetched by the processor, it will process it, and it provide the results on monitor. So this is the sequence when you will run the program. So thanks for watching this video. Soon I will come with the new videos. Please share this video and subscribe. Thank you.